While the world fixates on rising tensions in the South China Sea and the never-ending war in Ukraine, one of America's most iconic warships quietly shifted course toward the world's most volatile region, the Middle East. This is the USS Nimitz, a nuclear-powered aircraft carrier, now operating under the command of the US Fifth Fleet. But why has the United States deployed a supercarrier to this region, and why now? The US Fifth Fleet operates across a massive area, from the Persian Gulf and the Red Sea to the Arabian Sea and Western Indian Ocean. It's a region rich in energy, plagued by instability, and central to global security. In June 2025, tensions between Iran and Israel boiled over. Following Israeli airstrikes on Iran's nuclear facilities, fears of regional escalation surged. The US responded not with words, but with firepower. The USS Nimitz was deployed to replace the USS Carl Vinson, which had been operating in the region for over 7 months. But make no mistake, this wasn't just a routine rotation, it was a strategic statement. For the first time in a while, 2 US carrier strike groups were active in the Fifth Fleet's area of operations simultaneously. A deliberate move meant to send a clear signal: deterrence through overwhelming presence. Alongside the carrier deployment, the US increased the number of air refueling tankers, KC-135s and KC-46s, across Europe and the Middle East. This expands America's operational reach, allowing its fighters and bombers to strike targets deep inside enemy territory without ever touching land. Although Iranian military infrastructure was damaged in recent strikes, US commanders still view Iran as a considerable threat. Ballistic missiles, armed drones, and proxy militias continue to destabilize the region. So why the Nimitz? Despite being the oldest operational carrier in the US Navy, it brings decades of experience, full operational readiness, and one powerful message: America hasn't even shown its most advanced weapons yet. Nimitz's presence also strengthens military ties with key regional allies: Saudi Arabia, the UAE, Bahrain, and Qatar, ensuring joint readiness in the event of a wider conflict. As global focus remains split between Eastern Europe and the Indo-Pacific, the United States is quietly reinforcing its dominance in the Middle East, with a carrier strike group at the center of its chessboard. The USS Nimitz isn't just a warship, it's a floating city of steel, a symbol of unmatched firepower, and a silent warning. If conflict erupts, America is already in position, locked and loaded. Will the Nimitz's presence help prevent war or trigger something far worse? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more high-level military updates and analysis.